Good morning, children. Now, surface areas of cylinder. Okay, surface areas of cylinder and volume of cylinder I have to find out now. Okay, cylinder. It has. Let me tell first how many faces and how many edges and how many vertices of a cylinder. So this is your cylindrical. This is a cylinder. How many faces? It has 3 faces, top and bottom and 1 curved surfaces. These are 2 plane surfaces and this is 1 3. So how many faces? 3 faces. Clear? Then it has 2 edges, 1 and 2 edges. Then no vertices. So if total surface area, if you have to find out the total surface area of cylinder, that means you have to find out the total surface area of 3 faces. After that you have to add, then you get the answer. So the 2 plane circular faces. Okay, this is your pi r square. This is circular. This is also circular. That means pi r square, pi r square. Okay. Then find out the curved surface area. After that you add 3, then you get the total surface area. Let for curved surface area, first you let it be cut. If I cut this one, I get a rectangular shape, isn't it? If I cut the cylinder, I get this rectangular shape. That means what is the area of this? If you find out area of this, that means this is your curved surface area. So what is, if area of this rectangular paper is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Clear? So what is this? This is your length of the rectangular paper. This is your base of length and this is your breadth of the rectangular paper. Then what is it? If I just fold it in the circular way, that means total circumference of the circle. Total length of the circle is your circumference. What is the formula of circumference? Is your 2 pi r. So this is the, what is the length of this? This is your 2 pi r. Clear? And this is your height. This is breadth also. This is the height of the cylinder. That means if you just cut the cylindrical, this paper, this shape, then you get, this is your length, this is your breadth. The area of the rectangular paper, if you fold this rectangular paper into cylindrical shape, this is the area of the curved surface area of the cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder, CSA of cylinder, is equal to area of the rectangular sheet. Clear? Area of the rectangular sheet. That means length into breadth. What is length? Length is your 2 pi r. Because why 2 pi r? This is the circumference. Circumference, if we fold it, this is make a it will make a circle. That means circle, the circumference of circle is your 2 pi r. So 2 pi r, and this is your breadth. That breadth means the height of the cylinder. This is the height of the cylinder. So this is 2 pi r into s. That means 2 pi r s. This is the CSA of cylinder. Clear? Now total surface area. Total surface area of cylinder is, so total surface, how many faces cylinder? 3 faces, 2 circular, that means circle, the plane surface is circle. Okay, pi r square, then this is CSA, curved surface area. So pi r square, 1 face, other face also pi r square, 2 face, top and bottom 2 faces. Then third is your curved surface area of cylinder is your 2 pi RH. Clear? That means So you add 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. In both the case, you take common 2 pi r. That means r plus h. This is total surface area of cylinder. And this is your CSA of cylinder. Clear? Total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r into r plus h. Then curved surface area of cylinder is your 2 pi r h. Now volume. Volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder. That means I just already told you ki what is the, for volume you have to find out the area of the base. Your area, what type of area, what type of base is the what type of base? This is a circular, that means circle. So what is the area of the circle? Your pi r square. Then it's a height into height. So pi r square into h. Pi r square. Okay. This is the area of the base into height. So this is your volume of cylinder. You have to remember these three formula. 2 pi RH is the CSA of cylinder. Then 2 pi r into r plus h, the total surface area of cylinder, and volume of cylinder is your pi r square. Okay. Just one example. One question is there. Find the curved surface area of right circular cylinder is height 35 cm is 121 cm cube. Okay, a curved surface, that means curved surface given, curved surface area given, curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 35 cm. That means height given 35 cm and CSA given how much? 121 centimeter square. Clear? Now find the radius of the base. You have to find out r. So what is the formula? CSA. So CSA of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. So CSA given 121 centimeter square. So 2 into, what is the value of pi? Pi value 22 upon 7 into r. R not given, so you write r. And h is your 35. Clear? Just putting the value. Then 7 5 is 35. So 121 centimeter square is your 10 220. 5 2 is 10, 220 r. So r is your 121 divided by 220. This is 2 centimeter square. This is your centimeter. 11. Now you just divide. 11 2 is 11 2 is 11 11 ja. So 11 by 20 centimeter. What is the radius? Your radius is your 11 by 20. Now you just convert into 0.55 centimeter. Okay. In this way you can solve problems. If volume, in case of solve one volume, suppose find the volume of a cylinder which has height of 21 centimeter and base 10 centimeter. Find volume is your pi r square h. What is the value of pi? 22 upon 7. What is given? R and h. R given 10 centimeter and h given 21. So r given 10. R square, that means 10 into 10. 21 h. So 7 3 ja 21. 3 to the 6, 3 to the 6, 0 0. Okay, meter cube. Meter या centimeter. Okay, centimeter cube. Because it's volume, so centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, that means centimeter cube. This is all about your surface area and volume, curved surface area, total surface area and volume of cylinder. Okay.